Morning. So my hair is super wild today. I slept on it wet and this is what happens. It's curly. I'm rocking it this morning. I slept in this morning, which is not like me. I think I really needed the sleep. I had a cookery class last night and it goes on till quite late and you've got to unpack and blah blah blah. So I slept a little bit. I've got myself a nice pint of water to start the day, keep hydrated, and now I'm off for breakfast. So I've got changed into gym gear because I'm going to go to the gym later and I'm just working on emails and everything like that, so I don't really need to like get dressed up. So I just got some leggings on from Yoga Leggings and I got this top from Hip and Healthy. It's all leopard print, not really sure why I'm wearing all leopard print. I'm just leaving the house, scrape the curls back, and I'm off to Boma for breakfast. So Boma, I think I've vlogged it before, is my boyfriend's restaurant and I really like going there to work. I just get loads of emails done, so I've got my laptop in my bag and I'm just going to crack out some emails, do a bit of recipe development, kind of write up some recipes. Don't know what it is about like working in a cafe where there's like noise around you and people busy. I don't know, I just zone in really well. And then we're going to go to the gym together later, which will be really nice. Been doing some Glow Guides workouts, so look forward to sharing you because I need to get my booty going, ready for summer. So I'm just hanging out in Boma, got my laptop. It's time to get tapping and then order breakfast. Breakfast has come and I got poached eggs, salmon, spinach, tomatoes. It's the perfect breakfast, I'm so excited. Kieran's joined me, he's just having breakfast. Say hi, Key.
Hi.
So what are you having for breakfast?
Scrambled eggs, smoked chicken, sweet potato and halloumi rosti, and a sausage.
Sounds pretty good. So you're excited for breakfast?
Really excited, I'm starving. I'm gonna get stuck into this.
So I'm heading to the gym now, I'm just going up the stairs. Meeting Key there, we're going to do a little workout together. I think I'm already sweating. I didn't end up filming in the gym because it was just a little bit too busy and I get quite shy filming in the gym in front of people. But I ended up doing a really good workout, a Glow Guides workout. So I just did a warm-up, which was sort of like a vinyasa flow, like lots of nice like sun salutations. And then I went into a single leg squat, 30 seconds each side. And then diamond kneeling push-ups for 45 seconds. Then ballet squats for 30 seconds to the left and then to the right. And then squat to row using like a resistance band for 45 seconds. And then a single leg deadlift, each side 30 seconds. And then finished off with mountain climbers to get the heart rate up for 45 seconds. And then I repeated this circuit 4 times. So it was a good like 20-25 minute workout and then did some core afterwards. But I haven't been going to the gym for a while, so it's good to be getting back into it. So guys, that's my sort of gym routine that I'm doing in the morning. So waking up, brekky, work, and then the gym. Now I need to go home, get out of these clothes, shower, and finish the rest of my day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching these vlogs. Let me know what you want me to vlog about because sometimes I don't know what you're interested in. So I'd love to hear from you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.